converted to. I just filled up here by my buddy's gas station. $3.55 a gallon. It's crazy. Right now we are running to Lock Sheldrake. We got to key a couple of houses for my realtor friend there. And we're going to creep down this road nice and slow because there was a trooper lurking here before when I went through about an hour and a half ago. We'll just do the nice 35. See him sitting there. Anyway, we're going to take care of my realtor friend. We are, and he's still there, he's got somebody else up here. Take care of my realtor friend. We're going to go to drop off 40 master keyed locks at a account that I've had for years, a really good account. I've been doing them for like 22 years. But yeah, we're going to drop that off, and then we got to run back to Fallsburg, combination lock over there, a Lockey, and then we got to go look at a 2015, I think it's a Kia, and then from there, if we have time, we're going to squeeze in a gas station that the front door locks need to be done. I guess they're locking it with a bicycle lock. All right, we're just pulling up to the road where we got to do these couple of houses. I'm not even 100% sure because not too many people have addresses out here. Let's see exactly what we're doing. All right, we'll pull in and we'll get these two houses done. I'll be right back with you. Right, this old door was locked. This is just an old vintage quick set handle set on here that doesn't work very good, but I am going to oil it up. Running off an air latch, quick set on the bottom. All right, so this got changed out. It was garbage. This is perfect now. Everything's going to end up getting changed here. I know this door doesn't really retract everything, but closes absolutely perfect now. This door is probably going to get ripped out or changed or something, or the house is going to get torn down, one of the two. All right, so that thing, we had all we could do to get that stupid lock open. I was going to drill it, but I was able to pick it. What a piece of junk. And then it didn't work well with the arrow latch that was in it. Somebody had it all cobbled. I just changed it. This is one of those big acreage houses, so everything is going to get bulldozed here, and they're just going to put new units in, I'm sure. So it doesn't even pay to try to salvage anything. Even the bottom handle set shot. Anyway, we're just moving to the next house around the corner here. Alright, this is the next one we got to make a key to the front door for. I guess they lost all the keys to this thing. This would be another one that ends up getting bulldozed down, or it'll be a caretaker house, something along those lines. This is the other house. We don't have to worry about picking this open. The door doesn't even close. And this house isn't going to be more than likely another tear down. It's bad. And that's as far as I'm going. All right, so that second house, the first one really doesn't even pay to mess with, and you know, they buy this stuff sight unseen, and you know, they're just going to bulldoze the things down anyway. They were hoping they'd be able to rent it for the winter. There's not much hope there because both houses are pretty close to the same condition. But anyway, I have to head to Ulster here quick to drop off a bunch of, I did 40 master key knobs for boiler rooms, so I just got to drop this off to them quick, and then we're going to head back to Fallsburg. We got a combination lock, we got to look at a 15 Sorrento, and we may have to sneak a Pathfinder in there too this afternoon, but we're going to play it by ear and see how time goes. I just wanted to make a note. Another reason those people buy those houses like that, you know, sight unseen, is because it's on 14 acres with town water and sewer. And in the town of Fallsburg, you're allowed 4 houses per acre. So that's going to bump you up, you know, 14 acres, 4 houses an acre. That's what, 54, 56 houses that they can put on that property. So they don't really care what's on it as long as the property's there. So they can build multiple units. That's just the way things fly around here. All right, 2 cases delivered to the maintenance department and headed back. All right, so we dropped those locks off there in Ulster County in their maintenance shop. I'm going have to pull over up here and make some phone calls. My phone is just out of control busy, you know, just ringing off the hook right now with, you know, everybody gets paid on Friday, so everybody, you know, now everybody from during the week that, oh, can you do it cheaper? Now they all want to call on Friday that they got an extra $5 in their pocket and all want their cars done all at once on Friday, because tomorrow they won't have the money again. I mean, that's just the way the area works. But I'm going to pull over here and make some phone calls, and I'm going to decide which direction I'm going to go next. All right, so yeah, just as I expected, a whole bunch of people calling that got paid today. That, you know, they all say, "Oh, I'll call you back." They all wait till 3 o'clock on Friday, and everybody calls you at one time between like 2:30 and 3 o'clock. They want everything done. I scheduled them for next week. You know, if they can't wait, I guess they're out of luck. They can find somebody else. But yeah, I did book I'm going to put this combination lock in, this Lockey. I'm going to meet the people there, and then I have to run to Montauk Valley. I have a legitimate woman with a bad Prox for her Durango. It's like a 14 Durango, so I'm going to run out and take care of her so she's not stranded. Alright, we're just getting into this development here, Mountain Woods, and I'm going to find this unit, and we're going to throw this bedroom door combination lock on. I use the Lockey M210 on the bedroom doors, so I'm going to get this put in, and I'll be back with you. Alright, so I marked my first 3 holes. 1, 2, 3, and the one on the side, so you can call it 4 if you want. 3 holes, 1 on the side. This lock is done. These doors are literally cardboard. I'll show you these things. It's just a junk interior door. It's literally cardboard that falls apart. This is the outside. Junk, but it's in there. Alright, so that combination lock is in there. Those doors are so cheap in those modular homes that it's literally the edge of the door is cardboard. It's just like a wooden fiber. It's unbelievable how cheap they are. But it's just to stop the kids from walking in on the parents, and they don't want to deal with, you know, the locking knob and stuff like that on the bottom. But that's in there, and it's 4:15. I am going to run to Montauk Valley and take care of this 14 Durango for this lady so she can get back up and rolling. And I'll be back with you when I'm out there. Alright, we're just pulling up to this address. It's like 4:45, and I'm going to get this Durango done, see what's going on with it. 14 Durango. By vehicle, Dodge Durango, 14 to 20. Pin 14. 301. At Prox, 14 to 17. Hazards are on. Three, 0, 1, 7. Center console, unlock. 1 time. Program success. Back up and rolling. Alright, so we finished up the Durango. That was pretty painless. She's happy she can drive her vehicle this weekend. I didn't realize she had one bad key, and she had one that she put in the washer just programmed her in a new one and stuck her emergency key inside of the new key. Programmed it, got the heck out of there. And it is now 20 after 5, and I am going to head for home. I appreciate you guys watching, and if you like this, leave a thumbs up.